Assalamu alaikum to my YouTube family, the most gracious, the most merciful. I hope all is well with the blessings and mercy of Allah. May everyone be in good health and prosperity. Welcome, dear viewers, to Spiritual Miracle Tale, where we embark on a journey of storytelling inspired by the teachings of Islam. Join us as we explore tales that weave together faith, morality, and the beauty of Allah's creation. May this animation series be a source of inspiration and reflection on the path of righteousness. Bismillah, let the storytelling begin. Unveiling Allah's Wonders. A couple's inspirational journey across the world. Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling city, lived Zain and Aisha, a newly married Muslim couple. Eager to embark on a journey that would strengthen their bond and deepen their faith, they decided to travel the world, exploring the wonders of Allah's creation. Their first destination was the ancient city of Istanbul, where towering minarets echoed the call to prayer. In the historic mosques, Zain and Aisha felt a profound connection to their Creator, bowing in unity as they fulfilled their daily prayers. Each architectural marvel whispered tales of the Islamic heritage, instilling a sense of awe for the enduring legacy of their faith. From there, the couple ventured to the vast deserts of Saudi Arabia, where the golden dunes stretched endlessly. Under the shimmering night sky, Zain and Aisha marveled at the celestial beauty, contemplating the vastness of Allah's creation. They remembered the importance of humility, realizing their place in the grand design of the universe. Next, they set their sights on the lush landscapes of Malaysia, where dense rainforests teemed with life. Surrounded by the vibrant hues of nature, Zain and Aisha reflected on their responsibility as stewards of the earth. Inspired by Islam's teachings on environmental conservation, they resolved to adopt sustainable practices in their lives. Their journey continued to the enchanting city of Marrakech, where bustling markets and ancient palaces told tales of centuries past. In the heart of the souks, Zain and Aisha practiced generosity, embracing the spirit of charity and kindness encouraged by Islam. Their acts of benevolence created ripples of positivity, leaving an indelible mark on the lives of those they encountered. As they reached the serene landscapes of Turkey's Cappadocia, the couple marveled at the otherworldly rock formations. In the silence of the early morning, they engaged in heartfelt conversations, deepening their understanding of one another and strengthening the foundation of their marriage, a bond fortified by the principles of love, respect, and mutual support outlined in Islam. Throughout their travels, Zain and Aisha embraced the teachings of the Quran, diligently fulfilling their religious obligations. From performing the obligatory prayers to embodying the Sunnah in their daily lives, their Islamic adventure lies in the transformative impact of sharing authentic experiences rooted in Islam.